Hi, my name is Stephanie Fair and I'm the Technology Facilitator at Butler High School, and this is a quick video tutorial for teachers on how to reset Google passwords. All teachers in CMS can reset Google passwords for students. They do not need to come to the Media Center for a Google password reset. To do this, you need to be logged in as a teacher, so it needs to be on a teacher device. You need to be inside Google Chrome, and you'll need an extension to do this. I'm going to show you where your extensions are, and in the email I'll be sending out to you will be the directions to turn on that extension if you do not have it. So if you're in your Chrome and your extensions are right to the right of the address bar, these are the little icons. You only have so many because they run off the page. So if you click the gray puzzle piece, you'll see more of your extensions and they should be all listed. And you can also manage your extensions at any time to see a full and complete list. You can turn them on and off. So we're going to be looking for the extension for Google Password Reset. And so they'll be in alphabetical order. Like I said, I will be sending you this link so you'll have it. It's Google Password Reset Tool. I had turned mine off, so I'm going to turn it back on. It may or may not pop up before my address bar. If not, once I've turned it on, then under my gray puzzle piece, I'll scroll down, find my Google Password Reset tool. It works right on the page. You don't have to move off. If you navigate off the page, it will change and won't work. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put in the student ID number. Oh, I've got too much stuff going on. You're going to want to put in your CMS employee ID number. That is the 5-digit number you use for the printers or copiers. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Once you pop in your student ID number and your ID number, your 5-digit, it will show you either, like this one, this is an old number, that the student does not yet exist. Remember, it is going to take a couple days for students to have created an account from PowerSchool all the way over to Google. And if that's the case, you can start over and tell them to check back tomorrow. We can try a different number. So remember, if a student doesn't come up with us, there's no need for the student to come see us in the Media Center. There's nothing we can do to make it happen quicker. That's just the way it is. We have to wait for the provisioning to take place. By the way, one last thing, you do have to be logged into your Google account inside of this, and that is up here at the very top right. You have to be logged in. That's a good rule of thumb every day for this to work. Because the database is checking to make sure that the 5-digit you type in matches the person that's logged in the Google account. So don't do this on a student account. It won't work. Students cannot use this. So this student did pop up. So this student, by their ID number, it automatically resets the password back to their birthday, and the birthday is listed. And you'll hit reset, and then the student can go log in. Once they log in, then their password will automatically be asked to be changed to something more secure that we do not know. So do not do this every day. Please help students and make sure they put their passwords, like a good rule of thumb, put it in your phone as a contact so they don't forget their NC EdCloud password and their Google password. But students do not need to come to the Media Center to check this, because you can do this in your classroom as long as the student is in the system. And you can reset it. Most of the kids remember their Google password because they can't get in their Chromebook without it. And we check them before they leave the Media Center if they're getting a Chromebook.